way to Abu Dhabi. It's my first time to ride Etihad.
Your life jacket is located under your seat in the residence,
also
business,
great.
and economy, or in the side panel of your seat in front.
Food was good. It's filling, and the flight was so smooth. I've got a layover in Abu Dhabi, and yeah, here I am. Then on my next flight, I'm gonna fly to Bangkok.
الجلوس المعروفة بوضعية بريس يرجى الاطلاع عليها قبل الإقلاع. يجب عليكم اتخاذ وضعية الجلوس بريس في حالات الطوارئ. إذا سمعتم الأمر بريس بريس.
Airport of Bangkok. I have to leave all my luggages at airport hotel, and then after that I head directly to Wat Arun to save my time. So I grab a car para direct na doon, and then here I am. Ito yung area where you can find some dresses and take a photo. You can rent. Yung mga temple is very nice kids, for family, Instagrammable pictures. Nice. So reminder, they accept only cash, no card as of this moment. So bring cash.
Free water, very nice. So I'm in Bangkok, Thailand. Ang init at 9. So for the experience, right? So why not? Coconut. We're here already. I'm in Wat Arun temple, one of the temples. I'm gonna go for 3 temples. Try my best kasi one day lang tayo dito. Let's see.
So I'm here going to one of the temples in Wat Arun. If you can see, ang daming mga figure ng elephant tsaka dragons. So very nice, unique siya. I mean, you know, ma-detailed na mga designs. So beautiful in its, and it's amazing then na you see it and you visit there. So quiet tayo because some of them are praying. So yes, we're here. Andyan si Buddha. Nice, no? Ang detailed. Grabe. Amazing structure. If you see what I see, if you only see what I see, very nice. Very nice. Very nice. You should come and visit here. So the weather here is mildly warm pero grabe. I mean, ma-feel mo talaga yung init. Pero since maganda naman ang surroundings, you will not really mind. Pero yun nga, I mean, ang init is agad sa buto, but it's alright kasi part of the experience. And yeah, explore Bangkok, Thailand.
So yes, I'm here in Wat Arun Palace. So massive stairs. So religious area. So you can wear the traditional clothes here if you want, with a fee of course. It's not free. Cash ang entrance. Nice. Paano kaya nila nag-iakyat mo dun? Pinakataas. I wonder how. dili ka deny na init kayo siya. May duha ka ko nito Buddha, I don't know, Buddha ba tawag anak, guardians, I don't know. So yeah, humid, cloudy, igang, pero okay lang kay basta di lang maulan. I'm in Thailand, Bangkok. So kwanta ka ng lesson learned. So mag-study ka pila imong withdraw fund, kay kung dili pareho ka sa ko nagsige og withdraw. Well, I'll tell you later what happened. Okay?
ของมีค่าของท่านกรุณาสะพายกระเป๋าไว้ด้านหน้ารูดซิปปิดกระเป๋าให้เรียบร้อยกรุณาอย่านั่งยืนจับหรือสัมผัสโบราณสถานและเลือกใช้ช่างภาพที่ผ่านการอบรมจากทางวัดสำนักงานจากทางวิสาห
So igang og init siya, guys. So musaka jud dito. Ana para sa ilaha. Kaya sa kaon. No na to. We'll see. Hangak man. May siya lalim sa kaon. Pumantay kaon good pod. So, tay kusog. So, mo dito. Di ba, abot ko sa airport. Sige, gibutan na ako kung bagahi, ana-ana, kay bugat. So, mag-withdraw ako o cash. Kay cash basis man sila usually. Wala kayo card. Pati dire, ana sa Google, accept card, but nope. Cash only. So yun, each transaction sa withdrawal kay 220 bahts. So dako na siya, makapalit na siya baski unsa pagkaon, souvenir. Pero since wala lagi, I don't know, wala ko sa kong pangunaw na, so withdraw ko kaning amount, kasama ko ay gamay na day siya. So nagdadag ko na po, nyaman ako ay kung palit ko ani ay kulang ya pa. So yun, ikatulo. So tulo ka transaction, di ba? I mean, anyway, lesson learned. Tas dapat di ay nag-withdraw na lang. I'm on my way to Wat Po. So Wat Po is just a boat ride, like 2-minute boat ride. So ferry ride feels like home.
Convenient kasi may boat na naka-standby. Then, affordable lang fare. So, yeah, you should try.
Standing ferry boat.
You come already here.
Bye. So yun ba? I'm going to the other palace, the Wat Po. Kaharap lang niya. So yeah. Riding a ferry. It's like so nandito tayo sa Wat Po. It's another palace. So tricycle if you want. Let's see what ang taas ang pila sa ano ha. Ang bili ng ticket para makapasok. 200 dun. Dito 300. At cash pa din. No card. So if you want try to beat the gong, beat it gently. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 gongs. So yes, maybe you can wish after the gong, but let's just touch it.
So, ito yung ano, what hook. Looks similar. Ay! Ayun na siya! Ayun, nakita niyo siya. Reclining Buddha. Ayun siya, nakahiga siya. Ayun siya. You can see her. Ayun. Kung kita niyo siya. Ayun. Oh, let me see. Hindi ko din siya kita eh. Nice. Ayun siya. Nakahiga siya. So, ito siya. I was so you guys kalaki. Kaya I walk back papunta doon sa head part niya. Kasi I did took a video while I'm exploring the rest of this temple. So, as you can see, ang daming tao at yes, very warm. But, ang laki ng electric fan, tsaka ang laki ng mga windows. So, may ventilation naman. Kahit ang daming tao, tsaka bawal mag-shoes, bawal mag-cap or hat. So, bawal din yung naka-expose shoulders. For some,
Bumalik lang ako
mag-takip.
para magkuha ng
Then, yun.
sa
Kaya ng mga green yan. Mga
Ano
shoes
ko?
yan nila. Green na mga bags. Yan na siya. Hi, Buddha. Amazing. Napakainit. As in, napakainit. Ano meron pa? Si Buddha. Sumilip. Nagpahangin. Kasi napakainit. Grabe. Amazing, no? Grabe yung ano nila dito sa region nila. Oh, diba? Ay, isang ba? Ang ganda. May langaw. Nilalangaw na kasi hindi naligo. Diretso na lang gala kasi one day lang ako dito sa Thailand. So, okay lang. At least. Nakagala. Yan na siya. Nice. Ang taas niya. Paa niya. Ayan na siya. Nakahiga. Si Buddha. Napakainit at obvious. Woo! Ang init pa more. Buddha. So yun, ang taas niya. So, pag papunta siya doon, punta tayo sa paa niya. Pero gabi ang init dito guys. Bawal mag-shoes. Bawal mag-hat. Ayun, ayan na siya. Ayan si Buddha, nakahiga. Ano siya? Nice. Pasilip lang siya. Maganda siya. Ba't basa? May water na natapon. At basa na ang medyas. At yun ang paa ni Buddha. Ang laki-laki. Nice. To be honest, napakainit. Picture na lang talaga ako dito sa paa niya. Kasi ang init talaga. Saka mahangin sa labas. Yung mahangin sa labas yung nagpapa-cool down. May natapon pa ng tubig dun. So basa na medyas ko. So amazing! So nice! Amazing. Ito yung paa niya. Laki. Init. Grabe ka Init yun ay. Init kayo. Mada. Grabe. Baktas pa mo. Grand Palace. No video taking daw. So, here we are in Grand Palace. Dawat jud. Nog pa more. Itom na kaayo ta. So, good luck. Basta mag-enjoy lang ta. Basta happy lang yun ta sa travels for life. Perfect.
Yes, I take one photo for you.
Let's go. Grand Palace.
Yeah, I saw it.
Init pa more. Okay, mas init. Ani? Grand Palace. Magaganyan na din ako bukas magpajama ng Thailand. Grabe! Init! Nugnog pa more. The Royal Pantheon. Amazing. Diba? Amazing. Init kayo mo lang may amazing kayo nilang halas. Yun sa ni pag diba? Babusisi kayo. Detailed kung detailed. Kung yung mapansin gabi. Hanggang sides. Grabe, pati ang taas. Amazing. Grabe. So, pwede mo sulod dira, di ba? Let's see. So, masulod ka dito, mag-prayer ka, pero bawal mag-video. Ito ka may. Amazing. Kapoy lang ko. Init. Wala pa ng kaon. Wala pa kayo tulog. Okay lang. Basta happy lang. Enjoy, explore, adventure, bago. Nice. Thankful, grateful, Lord. Wala. Grand Palace. Super warm, super init. Grabe ang heat. But it's so init. Grabe kainit. So tired. All day. Wala yung go. Wala asking. Wala yung kaon. So I'm gonna eat sticky rice with Mango with durian. I-mix na ako sila. Kaya wala na akong kasabot. So, I'm tired. I wanna ligo na. Let's try the Thai sausage. Diba? Nice. And this one. Nice. Pork. Good, so good. Pork. Chicken. Mana ako makayapan. Natulog ako ang whole na ato na, karon ako sa platinum. Naguna na ako moto ko big C. Pero we'll see. Sticky rice. Marag biko. Very good lang mangga dito ay. There's something in sa mangga. Tamis kayo. Hindi ako siya ma-describe. Very good siya. Too sweet. Namurag na siya sugar na level. Ilang durian. See, durian. Ilang durian. Ilang durian kaya makakasag. Gahi-gahi pa. Pero soft sa soul. Muntong ko nun eh. So, Thailand. Muntong durian. O, syempre sa Atua. Na may durian sa Atua, diba? Let's see. Mahal ang durian kayo. 70 per 100 grams. So, ano eh, sobra ni 100 grams, diba? Gamay kayo. So, sige lang. Para lang makatilaw og durian sa Thailand. Or man na purpose din. Ako kakapad tayo. I-gold pa na ako ang pantay niya. So, see you later. Bye! At